Okay, guys, we'll continue in one step multiplication equations, page 359. Today, inshallah, we will finish the lesson and you will do the homework. So I think we did example one. Example one, guys, we did it. Who can tell me? Ammar.
Yes, Mr. We do example one, but didn't do the check.
Yalla, we will do the check now, right?
Yes.
Yalla, guys, check. Under example one, let's do it together. But let's remember, guys, the multiplication equation together and fast. Yalla. The multiplication equation, something like 3f equals 12, for example. We said this is multiplication equation because here we have multiply, 3 multiply f. And the 3, we call it coefficient, if you remember, right? Now, to solve this equation, guys, we rewrite the equation and divide the both sides. We said that we divide both sides on the coefficient. Divide by 3, divide by 3, like this. Then we cross the 3's because it's 1f means f. Equal comes down, and here we do divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the answer of this equation is 4. Now, to replace or to check our solution, we replace f by 4. It will be 34. No, it will be 3 multiply 4, which is 12. So this is the idea of multiplication equations. Today we will continue in examples and questions there. Let's do check under example one. Ammar, are you with me?
Yes.
Read.
Okay. A jewelry store is selling.
Ammar. Guys, the check page 361. Okay. Yeah, read.
A jewelry store is selling a set of 4 pairs of earrings for $58.85, including tax.
Good. So we have 4 pairs. We have 4 pairs. Let's prepare our question. We have 4 pairs of earrings. Earrings. You know the earrings? الحلق.
Yes.
We have 4 pairs of earrings, and the total cost of them is how much?
$58.85.
$58.85. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, continue.
Neva and 3 of her friends want to buy the set, so each could have 1 pair of earrings.
Good.
Write a multiplication equation that could be used to find how much each person should pay.
Good. Now, Neva and the 3 of her friends, right?
Yes.
So how many friends we have in all?
4.
4 friends. So Neva and 3 of her friends means we have 4 friends. Okay? We have 4 friends. They want to buy this 4 pairs of earrings, okay, in cost $58.85, because each one of them want to get 1 pair, okay?
Okay.
Now, leave this question and come with me here. Now, if we have 5 persons, okay? Okay, 5 persons. And the total money they will pay 100 riyal. خلاص? So the total is 100 riyal. Now, 5 multiply what? Multiply what to be 100?
20.
20. So each one of them will pay how much? 20. Each one of them will pay 20 riyal. So 5 multiply 20 equal what? 100. So here, Do we know how much each one of the friends will pay money for the 58.85? Do we know?
No. No.
No. So what we will say, we will give it a variable. Let مثلا
F.
let P be the money for each friend. Okay?
Okay.
Let B be the money for each friend. Now, 4 multiply the amount of money of each friend should be equal the total cost, right?
Yes.
So, what's our equation will be?
4P equal
4P should be equal the total money, 58.85, right?
yeah.
Right, mister?
Yes, yes.
This is the equation, guys. Copy it. This is the equation. Copy it. 4P equal 58.85. Now, what we will do to find the amount of money of each person?
We do the steps.
We will solve the equation. This is the equation. 4 multiply P equal this money. So we will solve the equation. Thank you, Ammar. And I want other students to tell me how we will solve this equation. Shukri or Yusuf.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Yusuf. How we will solve this equation?
We will write it, we will rewrite it.
Okay, 58.85. Mumtaz.
Then we divide on both sides with 4.
Mumtaz. The coefficient of 4, so we divide both sides with 4. P equal, let's divide this number on 4 together. 58.85 divided by 4. Right, ya Yusuf?
Right.
Now 5 divided by 4, 1. 4 subtract 1, 8. 4, 16, subtract 2. We have decimal, put it up. Then we get the 8. 28 on 4, 7. 7 by 4, how much? 28. Subtract 0. Then we get the 5. 1. 1 by 4, 4. Subtract 1. We have decimal, we add 0. 2 by 4, 8. Subtract 2. Decimal 5. So each one will pay 14.7125 dollars. Each one will pay 14.7125 dollars. This is the check, guys. Hope you understand it. So we prepare the equation, then we solve it. Copy, please copy it quickly. بسرعة, because I will erase it.
I finish.
Good. Copy, guys, copy. Okay, you done copying for now, I think. Now let's move to example 2 together. Let's move to example 2 together. Example 2. Yeah. Next we have example 2. with me please. يلا يا تميم.
Yes, mister.
يلا
Yes.
read.
In page 362.
يلا 362 guys. Example 2. Read.
Solve multiplication equations. Solve 2x equal 10.
2x equals 10. يلا, this is the equation. How will we solve this equation?
Yeah, first thing we'll rewrite it.
Rewrite the equation 2x equal 10. Then
Yes, and divide 2 in the both sides.
divide by 2 in both sides. Then we cross the 2's, right? Still
Yes.
x equal.
Yes, 10 divided by 2 equal 5.
Equals 5. So x equal 5 is the solution, right?
Yes.
How we check our answer? How we know that our answer is correct, Yabni?
Yes, you will do 2 multiply 5 equal 10.
Mumtaz. Replace x by 5. It will be 2 multiply 5, which is 10. Mumtaz. Do you understand that?
Yes, thank you.
Good boy. Thank you. Now we have checked, guys, under example 2. We have, or after example 2, we have check. After example 2, we have check. On the next page, I think. يلا مين معنا؟ عدنان.
Mister,
Adnan, read the check.
Mister,
Yes.
why are we the one step lesson? I didn't understand it really much.
What? حبيبي talk الله يساعدك لا تحكي كلمة وتسكت. What you don't understand? Hello?
Mister, he closed his mic.
يعني ما يعني ليه وين راح؟ Where are you عدنان؟
Her brothers أخوه عنده.
خلاص اهدى.
Sorry, my brother was crying.
Mister, focus with me الله يساعدك. Mr. Adnan, are you here?
Yes.
يلا, tell me what you did not understand. Tell me.
That we did this lesson before. And we're
Yeah,
doing
we
it
did this
again.
lesson before. We didn't do this lesson before. We start with it, the one-step multiplication equation. Now we continue in it. So what's the problem?
Okay. I thought we were taking it again.
No, mister, this is the same lesson, lesson 4, but we took it in 2 periods, the previous one and this one, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, go to the check after example 2 and read. You will solve it with me.
Mister, my book is lost. I'm writing on a paper. And I will copy it to the book.
طيب, here. The check says solve 84 equal 7x. Solve, this is the check. Solve 84 equal 7x. This is the equation, ya Adnan, okay? Adnan.
Sir, he mute his mic.
Yeah.
ليش؟ مش معقول هذا الولد. شكري. Focus يا عدنان and copy. شكري.
Yes, teacher.
يلا يا شكري. This is the equation. Solve 84 equals 7x.
Okay, first we rewrite it again.
84 equals 7x. Then
we divide the coefficient in both sides.
we divide by the coefficient in both sides, which is what?
7 divided by 7, or 7 over 7, and 84 over 7.
Good. So we cross the 7s. Still what here?
Still, we will make a line and write x equal. Yeah.
Which line? Here you make a line? No. Yalla.
Yes, 84
Divided by 7, how much?
it's 12.
It's a 12, ممتاز. So we write it as x equal 12. This is the solution, okay?
Yeah, if we will make sure we will make 7 times 12 and it will be 84.
ممتاز يا شكري.
Thank
Thank you. Copy guys, copy. Adnan,
Yes.
Mister, do you understand?
Yes.
Good boy, copy. Yell. This is the example and the check, guys, after it in your book. Yeah. Let's go to example 3 now together. Example 3 with Muhsin.
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا محسن, read example 3.
Okay, solve 2/3m
2 over 3m equal
5/8.
5 over 8. ممتاز. This is multiplication equation يا محسن. Can you tell me how we will solve this equation?
We rewrite it again.
Okay, 2 over 3m equal 5 over 8. Then
We do we write
yes, you are right. Talk. Huh?
We write 2/3 in 2 digit.
In two sides, we divide by, look, do you see the board?
Yes, yes.
We divide both sides on the number which is besides the variable. You said 2 over 3, which is correct. Do you see the board?
Yes, yes.
Good. Now, what happens with these two fractions?
We cut it.
Because 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 3 is 1. 1m is still what? M equal. Here, what we will do here, ya Muhsin?
We do divide.
We do divide the fractions. How we divide the fractions, guys? If you remember, the first fraction stays the same, right?
Yes.
And the division will be what? Multiply. And the second fraction, we do what, ya Muhsin?
Flip.
Mumtaz. 2 over 3, it will be 3 over 2. Excellent boy. Now we will do multiply. 5 multiply 3 is 15. 8 multiply 2 is 16. Got it?
Yes.
So what's the answer of the division? Is 15 over 16. Do you understand, ya Muhsin?
Yes, yes.
Good boy. This is example 3, guys. Let's do example, the check after example 3. يلا. ريان أمجد.
Yes.
يلا يا ريان, read.
Okay. Check. Solve 4 over 5k equal 1 over 3 4k.
1 over 3 4k means, guys, when they said 4k, solve 4k means you need to find the value of k. This is what they mean, okay? يلا. What we will do, Rayyan, to solve this equation?
We will rewrite the equation.
Rewrite the equation. 4 over 5k equal 1 over 3. Then
The 4 over 5, we will divide it on the both sides.
divide by 4/5 in both sides, like this.
Yeah.
Then
The 4/5 and the 4/5 we will erase it because it will be 1.
they are crossed, they are one. Number divided by itself is how much, Rayyan?
1.
1. 1 multiply k is
K.
k. And the equal comes down. Here, what I will do here,
We will divide.
divide, yalla. The first fraction stays the same. The
We will
division
multiply.
will be multiplied. And 4/5, it
5
will
over
be
4. 5/4.
now multiplied.
Yeah.
1 multiply 5, 5. 3
12.
multiply 4, how much?
12
12. So the k equal 5
over 12.
over
12.
12. This is the answer. Good boy. This is the check, guys. Copy it, please, in your book. Faris Nofal.
Yes.
Faris.
Yeah.
Solve for me this equation, Faris.
Okay.
3t equals 15. How I will solve this equation?
3t equal 15. 3t equal 15. We put the 3/3. We rewrite it.
No, we rewrite the equation again. The first step.
Yeah,
3t equals.
we rewrite it.
Then,
And we put 3/3.
Divide by 3 both sides, right?
And cross the 3's.
I crossed.
We
Then t
divide
equal
15 with 3. 15 with 3, it's 15. It's with
7.
5.
5. Do you understand it, Faris?
Yes, but in example 3, I didn't understand it well.
This is example 3, right?
Yes.
Look, I rewrite the equation, okay?
Yeah.
I did the same steps which you did here, okay?
Yes.
So, I divide on the number which is beside the variable, look.
Okay.
Now, here we have a fraction divided by a fraction. We took that before, right?
Yes.
The first fraction is still the same. The
Yes.
division will be multiplied. And the second fraction, we flip it. We know that, right?
Yeah.
Now we multiply. What's the answer?
15/16. It's so
I
simple.
put it here.
Okay.
And the check, same idea of the example.
This I understand the check. Because like this,
Good.
I understand this.
Do you understand, ya Faris?
Yes.
Good boy. Copy the check, guys. This check, copy it, please. Now, if you finish copying, guys, go to page 367, the practice page. We will prepare the equations for the first 4 questions. يلا عشان انت تحلهم بالبيت براحتك. I will help you in preparing the equations. Okay, guys?
Okay.
يلا.
Mr. Can I read?
يلا wait يا مستر. Go to the practice page, guys, please. يلا شوف. Go to the practice page.
Page 367.
Read يا ابني.
Okay, Maribel and some friends went to an adventure park. The total cost
Maribel and some friends. ها ركز. Maribel and some friends. ما بنعرفش قديش. Continue.
went to an adventure park. The total cost of their tickets was $374.
The total cost of the tickets for Maribel and her friends is $374. Continue.
And each person paid $46.75.
كل واحد منهم حيدفع 46.75 right.
Write a multiplication equation that can be used to find how many people bought tickets to the adventure park.
So what's the unknown thing? The unknown thing is how many people, right?
Yes.
So let P, what we'll say, guys, let P be the number of people.
Yes.
Now, P multiply, P multiply, how much each person will pay?
$46.75.
$46.75 should be the total cost. What's the total cost?
374.
374. صح?
Yes.
Now I will do the equation in our forms like this. So it will be 46.74 P
No, Mr.
equal
75.
to 75, sorry, P equal, what's the total cost?
374.
374,
74.
right? This is the equation, guys. What you will do in your home?
What we understand.
What you will do in your home, guys? This is the equation.
You
What
will
you will do
solve
in your
it.
home? You will solve it. You will what?
Solve it.
Solve it. Find the answer of P. This is a question 1. I helped you in the equation. Yalla, let's do question 2 now. Question 2. Let me choose a new student. معلش.
Okay.
حمزة عم. Read يا حمزة.
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا حمزة.
It takes Samuel 1/5 hours to walk a mile. Yesterday, Samuel walked for
Samuel, لحظة شوي. لحظة يا ابني افهم. لا تقرأ الكويشن هيك حيلا. Understand, read slowly and focus. It takes Samuel 1/5 hour to walk a mile. يعني عشان يمشي 1 mile كم أخذ وقت معاه؟ 1/5 hour. Continue.
Samuel walked for 1.5 hours.
حلو. Continue.
Write a multiplication equation that can be used to find the number of miles Samuel walked.
So what's the unknown thing يا حمزة?
Unknown thing, how many miles did Samuel walk?
Good. So let M be the number of miles, okay?
Okay.
Good. Now we need to prepare our equation. We need to prepare our equation. Let's go back to the question. Now M is the number of the miles. Now it takes Samuel 1/5 hour to walk a mile. طب number of miles we multiply with them. So 1/5 multiply M should be equal the total, which is what?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hour. This is the equation. What you will do in your home, guys? You will solve the equation to find the number of miles M. This is question 1. This is question 2. I helped you in the equations. Do the rest.
Okay.
Question 3. Question 3, guys. يلا. عنتر أحمد.
Yes, Mr.
يلا. Read.
The nutrition
لا يا غالي وينك أنت؟ وين رايح أنت؟ We are on page 367 يا ابني.
praxis.
يا حبيبي العادة انت ما كتبت question 1 and 2 معنا؟
Yes, Mr. Right.
يلا يا حبيبي يلا read question 3.
The distance around the lake is 2.6 miles on Saturday. Dog biked a total of 18.2 miles around the lake.
حلو. Continue.
Write a multiplication equation that can be used to find how many times dog biked around the lake.
Good. Now, what's the unknown thing here?
Uh, uh,
The number
how
of times dog biked around the lake, right?
yes, I
Yeah.
just
So let T be the number of times around the lake, right?
yes,
صح يا ابني؟
yes.
طب in each time, how much time in each round around the lake? How much time he needs?
2.6 miles.
2.6 mile multiply the number of times should be equal the total
18
صح?
miles around
The
the lake.
total of time, which is what?
18.2
Come?
18.2 miles.
18.2. This is the equation. What you will do in your home?
I just answered.
You will solve the equation. Okay, this is question 3, guys. Let's do question 4 quickly together. Question 4. عبد الله عتيبي وينك؟ طيب فيصل ريد. طيب I'll read it quickly. An express delivery company charged $3.25 per pound to mail a package. Georgia paid $9.75 to mail a package. Write the multiplication equation that can be used to find the weight of the package in pounds. Means the number of pounds. So let P be the number of pounds. Okay. Now, each package per pound 3.25 per 1 pound. Number of pounds means 3.25 multiply the number of pounds, which is P, equal the total weight for the package, which is what?
9.7.
9.7. The total cost, sorry, which is 9.75. 9.75. This is the equation, guys. Copy the equation. Now, what you'll do in your home, you will solve it. Okay. So we prepare the questions for the first 4 questions. Now, the rest of the homework, what? Solving equations normally. They gave you the equation, and you will what? You will solve it. So do your homework today in your home and send it in Classera. Don't forget, guys, grade 6E. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. what we have?
Assignment.
The online assignment. Okay, so don't forget that and do it during the week end. Okay, guys, hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much. Tamim, send it, and
Okay.
goodbye for all.
Goodbye, Mr.